Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to learn how to use extrude command or extrude cut command in Autodesk Inventor. So firstly draw a sketch. Let's we draw a rectangle and now dimension 25 and go to finish sketch and is automatically convert to feature toolbar. Okay, go to extrude and here you can see the distance or dimension. We can change or increase. Simply go there and edit sketch. No, we want edit feature. So this is sketch and edit feature. Okay, so here is direction 2, systematic, half this side and half this side. This is distance and simply click OK. Okay, so this is our extrude command, simple command. Okay, now we want to extrude cut, and so go there and create a sketch and simply draw a circle here and now dimension 5 millimeter. Finish sketch. Now go to extrude again and here you can see this is our extrude cut option. Okay, here we can change the distance same or simply drag this arrow, click OK. So you can see our hole is cut from this rectangle. So this is our extrude and extrude cut command, and hope you understand. If you have any doubts then please comment and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.